Hi there, welcome back to Athlon Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Multic, which is basically a open source marketing automation platform. Straight away, we can see that the the headline and especially the subheadline is quite transparent about what they do, so it's very clear. If we scroll down, they've got an instant element of credibility in terms of the fact that 40,000 plus companies, which is a huge number, use Mautic, and they've also got a few partners as well, which is great for credibility for a prospect. Here they go more in depth about many of the features that they offer, like the fact that they've got an intuitive campaign builder, and you can also have powerful email and page builders. Now, here they've got more articles about, again, the features that they're able to provide to the clients. And they've also got a newsletter sign up here where you can basically provide your details and yeah, sign up. I guess potentially they might have added this to at the top of the page in order to increase the number of opt-ins, and this could have been easily done by offering a lead magnet in order to get them to sign up, for example, whether that was a freebie or a discount or any type of lead magnet that would have encouraged the prospect to actually take action and provide um, you know, the contacts. Here they've got more stats about how the software is basically supported on GitHub, and yeah, they keep talking about how it's basically an open source software. Now we've got a really strong element of um, testimonials, testimonial, elements of testimonials like this one and this one right here. These are really good because they go in depth and they talk about how Multic is a game changer for their company and allows them to run customized campaigns to execute robust inbound marketing strategies. Okay, and it clearly states the name of the person giving the review, the title, and where they work. Same thing right here, which is good. All right. And then it just asks you to basically start your free trial. And again, more subtle credibility with this uh, text here saying that it's trusted by over 200,000 companies. So then this is the obviously the footer. I guess potentially they could have added a frequently asked questions section to handle any objection that prospect might have had in in their minds before making a purchasing decision. And just for completion, I would go and check the pricing page to see how that looks. And if we scroll down, we can see that we've got three options where you can have the free trial. And here you can actually go and see the plans, but you can also download the software if you wanted to. So if we go and see the plans, you can see they've got three different clear tiers, which is great in terms of clarity. So, and the good thing is that each tier has each feature clearly described underneath it, and therefore it will allow the prospect to make a really informed and good purchasing decision, a good informed choice. Here they've also got a contact form that you can use if you want to talk to the sales team or anything that you need help with. Um, and yeah, I guess they might have removed a couple of fields, like for example the phone field, especially if you're already gonna get the email. And yeah, this is just in order to increase the number of opt-ins because we usually find in terms of conversions, the more the higher the number of fields in the contact form, the lower the conversions usually. Here they do have a section with the frequently asked questions, which is good. It might have been helpful to add something similar on the homepage as well. Okay, just to clear any doubt that a prospect might have had. Other than that, this is all of the homepage. I guess from a conversion rate optimization perspective, in order to increase that for SaaS companies, what we would do is potentially use things that we call heat maps, and these are helpful to identify where most of the attention a prospect spends it. And things like this might include the click maps or scroll maps. Okay, and following those, you know, tests or using heat maps, we could also use A/B tests in order to test a variant and see whether changing the position of some elements or the copy of certain elements might be able to increase the conversions from for a certain website. Okay, so these are the types of tests and experiments that we're trying to do to increase the conversions. But other than that, I hope you guys like this video. This is the end. And if you're a SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.